Meghalaya's voter roll has risen by 52,412, bringing the total number of voters to 22,69,512, according to Chief Electoral Officer Dr. BDR Tiwari. Of the total voters, 11,50,599 are female, 11,18,907 are male, and 6 are from the third gender. The state also has 3,764 service voters, with 3,673 males and 91 females. East Khasi Hills leads with 3,20,553 voters, while Southwest Khasi Hills has the fewest at 38,742. Dr. Tiwari revealed that 8,936 voters were removed from the rolls and 31,372 of the 32,500 correction forms submitted were accepted. Additionally, the number of polling stations increased to 3,551. The updated rolls show an increase of 2,043 voters in West Khasi Hills district.
So we had total electors as on 29th October 2024 when we had the draft roll published, 22,40,499 total electors, out of which male electors 11,05,244 and female electors 11,35,250 and transgender 5. And after publication of the draft final roll, now we are having 22,69,512 voters altogether, out of which 11,18,907 male voters, 11,50,599 female voters, and 6 third gender voters, total 22,69,512.